Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. As you can see on the title of this video, what are we doing here today is reinstalling the Rough Country multi-switch controller. So we can control, you got 6 switches over here. This thing goes where your ashtray goes. You bolt it in there. I got 6 switches. You can wire up anything you want to these switches. Including air compressor, lockers, LED lights, everything that you want that needs to be powered off or powered on, you can wire it up to this. And this Rough Country light controller, or I should say any kind of switch controller, makes it really easy on you. So if you're not the best electrician like I am, I'm not the best one, so this makes it really easy, and it's much more cleaner, less wires, less mess. So what this does, this part over here, it goes under your hood. This is for Jeep Cherokee 2000. I believe they like from 89 to like 2001, same thing. Actually, this kind of switch is from 97, I believe, or 96 till 2001. And you got one that's from 89 to like 96. It has a different switch. I guess it doesn't have that ashtray up there. I think it goes somewhere above there. I'm not sure, but this is only for 97 till 2001. So what happens here, this thing comes with 6 relays, and all you have to do, really, if you're, let me show you something. So really what you have to do, install these wires, which is red and black. All I have to do is wire it up to here. It should say over here ground and power. Tie them down with the screwdriver and you're good to go. You'll have the switches inside. So what this does, and this, that's all the wires you're gonna have running from under the hood to, or this, from like that. And this part, you hook it up to this that goes under the hood, and that's all you do. Everything else, you just connect to this over here, and you're good to go. So you have to over here, two screws to come off to be able to put this this thing in there. And over there, as you see, I got two screws up there, and those two over here that has some kind of clamp that's holding that wire. That's not how mine is, but I still have them two over there. So let's take the rest of them off, and that's where we're gonna put this in. So now it's telling me to go inside the car, and under this center console over here, there's 2 screws, and then you gotta pop out this shifter, that one over there, pop it out, and you should have 2 screws underneath there, right there, just like this, and some over here. Let's get this thing out, run the wires through, and see how it comes out too. that's it. That's all you gotta do to this thing. All we have to do is run this wire to the front there to go under that hood, and we don't ever need to come back here and run any wires in here. All the wires will be running to the engine bay from any lights, lockers, air compressors, whatever. You run your wires to that fuse module box, whatever, and just screw your positive and negative wire with a Phillips screwdriver, tighten down, and depends which order you're gonna wire them to, it's gonna work on one of these switches. That's it. Let's put the wire to the front and see if you can wire up one of the lights and see how it works. So I ran the wire over here, and it went through here. Through this rubber grommet, whatever, where the original wire coming out. I got a small hole in it and ran it right through there. It came out right there, if you see it. I don't know. See? Right here. This is the wire. Then it goes right behind the brake booster. And can't really see it here. Then let's get it under here. Just like that. Probably more slack. So I can turn this on just like this over here. Okay. This is on. Pretty much over here I'm ready to just put the over here and over here, run the wires to the battery, and then start wiring up my LEDs over here. Run the wires from here to inside here, and that's it. And this thing's pretty much done. Really nice, simple, nice and simple, clean system. I like it. Let's get to work and get it done, all done. And we'll test wiring them, just one of them in there, see how it works, and that's it. All I gotta do is just keep adding accessories. do a test run on this thing, see how it works. Alright, works good. This is it, that's how it looks under the hood. Over here, when you flip one of these on, if it's off, this RC logo will not illuminate, and when you flip it on, to tell you that something's on. So all of them got lights to them, and it works nice. This will be it for today's video. We got that Rough Country light controller, switch controller installed. So next thing will be this light over here. It'll go in here just like this, just like that. Obviously be secured. Then I'll be putting some yellow spotlights over here for fogs and sand, dust, and some lights up there, and the roof rack light. So stay tuned, keep up with my videos, like, subscribe guys, share. That'll be it. Have a blessed day, stay safe, be good. This one, yeah. Gaso. Polike.